My dear respectable teachers and tutors, we worship teachers as God. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Atiti Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. We treat our our mother, as God, Pita, our father, as God, Atiti, our guests, as God. We treat teachers as our God. So our respectful teachers are very, very closer to God. I would like to share a few tips to lead a respectful life by any of our teachers, friends, and young tutors. Let us listen, learn, and by that you can yearn also, nothing wrong in that. Then lead the exemplary life. There should be no bias when you teach. You should not show any bias on religion, caste, language, and also gender. You should understand the basic principle that there is only one religion, and that is the religion of love. There is only one caste, and that is the caste of humanity. There is only one language, and that is the language of heart. And therefore, there is only one God. He is everywhere. In fact, when you teach, you have to learn, because without learning, you can't teach. So, learning and teaching, they go together. It's a collaborative process. Don't think that you can learn only from the contents from the scriptures and reference books. You should be able to read and learn from the young hearts, that is, your students also. So try to get ready to learn from your students, because nowadays they are more advanced. And here you should understand the respectful distance, especially with the opposite gender. So treat the opposite gender like your own child. You have to be very, very careful, and you would have noticed, you would have heard the present trend, the present situations in the society. So take care of yourself. Your safe teaching is very, very important. So always maintain a respectable distance. You can interact regularly with the parents of your students, and you should always include the parents for this great collaborative learning process. Never talk of others, especially the children, in their absence as well as in front of others. Avoid rumors and social media. Always encourage students to study from books. Hard copies are always much better than the soft copies and cloud contents. Inculcate good habits and practice the students for better handwriting. And you should also prepare very well before going for a lecture. You should prepare good contents, and it should be duly updated. Teach the children for a better communication. Inculcate good thoughts and habits among children. You should be a role model. So you please take care of your dress, and you must always wear a power dress. Improve your presentation. Include always some good values whenever you teach the contents. Update the current affairs. You have to read authentic media only. So you can include teaching trending topics, nothing wrong in that. But at the same time, let the students learn some moral values from the occurrence or the events taking place in and around the society. Never interfere in personal affairs of any student. Let the class be strictly official. Always avoid using too much of social media contents or devices in your regular classes. Let it be online or offline or direct classes. Always maintain good library of books and help them with very good books, especially with the needy children. You can give some small gifts to motivate the children with some good books. Never insult the tender hearts, especially in front of others. Always avoid taking classes to the students of unruly behaviors. Avoid them totally. Money comes and goes, but morality comes and grows, and such unruly behavior students may spoil your life. Take care. Avoid one-to-one classes. Nowadays, it is a very tricky affair to deal with such students. So always avoid one-to-one classes. You can have students in small batches, even 2 or 3, enough, nothing wrong. And you may be having 6 or 7, nothing wrong in that. But take classes in small batches. And this, I am especially giving this tip to the home tutors. Discuss with the parents before admitting a student. It's nothing wrong to record every class for your safety, let it be online or direct classes. And it will be useful for future reference also. Stay away from social culprits and wicked minds. Mind your business of teaching only. Beware. You should be like a fire next to God. So you have to be very, very careful. Never take anyone much closer to you. Never allow students talking irrelevant things and anything not related to subjects. Be careful. Thank you, teachers. You are next to God. You are much wanted gods. Thank you very much. Take care of yourselves. Bye.